In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new feature added to iOS 16 that allows you to lift or create cutouts of objects inside of photos that you've taken. You can create cutouts of almost anything, removing people, pets, cars, and more from the background. Once you select the cutout, you can then copy and paste it into other apps like messages, emails, art programs, or notes. In this example, I'll cut out this Hawkins High School decal from a Stranger Things pop-up store we went to, and then paste it into the new FreeForm app from Apple. Once you have the photo ready, just touch and hold on the object that you want to cut out. If it doesn't work right away, you can try again, maybe in a different spot or give it a little bit more pressure. Once it does select it, you'll see a shiny white outline go around the object letting you know that it's been selected. Let it go and then you'll get a couple options, copy or share. In this example, we want to copy and paste it into another app. You could copy and paste it inside of a text message or email, but if you're using it for that feature, it would probably be better just using the share option. Tap copy and then head over to the other app that you're using. Once there, access the paste menu like normal depending on which app. Here in FreeForm, it's just tapping somewhere and then hitting paste. It'll then paste the object that you just cut out from the photo. You can then add, adjust, or whatever you need to do in the app that you're using. And just to show you what this does look like inside of a text, when you're typing, you can the same way just paste the image and it'll pop up in the text as the cutout. And that's how you create and share photo cutouts on your iPhone.